The ultimate guide to the 5 pillars of Islam, step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to the ultimate guide to the 5 pillars of Islam, step-by-step tutorial. First, Shahada, the declaration of faith. Recite, there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. Second, Salah, the mandatory prayer. Pray 5 times a day facing towards Mecca, and making specific movements and recitations. Third, Zakat, or charity. Donate a percentage of your wealth to those in need. Fourth, Sawm, fasting during Ramadan. Abstain from food and drink from sunrise to sunset for a month. Fifth, Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. Travel once in your lifetime to perform specific rituals and visit holy sites. The 5 pillars of Islam are the foundation of your faith. It's important to understand and practice them to maintain a strong connection with Allah. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.